Hey everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted this round end table with a charging station. It is so cute. I love the mid-century modern design. It's super sleek, great for small spaces. It has a sliding door, 2-tier storage inside. It's really perfect for a living room, a bedroom, even an entryway. And I also love that this has adjustable feet on the bottom. There is installation with this. Stay tuned to the end and I will show you how to do that. Let's take a close-up look. So this is a walnut color and it is made of engineered wood. It weighs 22 pounds in total. And you can see it has all of these grooves on here and then the super just great and very functional charging station on top so you don't have to fumble with cords. I think this is so cute. I love that you can fit your glass on here and then you can plug in your tablet and just relax or watch a movie while you are chilling on your couch. This is also amazing because it really does fit with all types of home decor and it's just charming. I love the convenience of the charging ports on the top. You get 2 outlets, 1 USB port and 1 USB-C port. So all the cords are going to fit into this. This was very easy to install. So let's get into that and see how to put it together. As with any installation, the first thing that you want to do is remove all of the packaging. Get rid of all the boxes, get rid of all the styrofoam, and lay all the pieces out. This is all that you are going to need. You are going to put these like screw things in the top. The instructions are very easy to follow. And then you are going to start assembling the boards here. As you see, those are the sides, and that is your structure. You want to make sure that the 2 holes line up in the back and the hole on top lines up because that is where we are going to string the power cord through that. So you want all those to be lined up perfectly. Next, you're going to slide the doors on and you can see we are almost finished. Flip it over. Put the feet on. These are ingenious. I love these. They rotate and you can unscrew them to make this higher or to accommodate a floor that is not 100% level. And here it is. Absolutely loving this. Love the convenience of this charging station. It's really great. This would be great in a bedroom if you have guests in a guest room so that everyone can just plug everything in. Loving this one. I think that you will too. Definitely check it out.